Yo, in the fast-paced world of trading, everyone's hunting for next level tool to stay ahead. In this video, we're diving into one slick indicator that delivers deep insights into market trends and where prices might head next by crunching recent price data. We'll show you how to trade with it, the best settings to dial in, and how to pair it with other indicators for a winning strategy. If this sparks some ideas, smash that like button. Let's roll. The star here is the AI Trend Navigator. To get it, head over to TradingView and pull up any asset. I'm rocking AUD against NZD on the 1 hour chart, since the strategy shines there. Hit the Indicators tab, search AI Trend Navigator by my favorite author. Big shout out to them, and add it. This tool is a beast, using the K-nearest neighbors or KNN algorithm, a machine learning trick to classify price trends as bullish, bearish, or neutral based on past data. On the chart, you'll see two lines, a teal one called the average KNN classifier for long-term trends, and a green-red KNN classifier for short-term moves. Together, they help you spot trends, pullbacks, and trade setups. In settings, you'll notice a third feature, background colors. Red for bearish, and of course, green for bullish. For this strategy, we're skipping those since they mostly mirror the KNN classifier's position relative to the average KNN classifier. Instead, set the number of closest values to 30, smoothing period to 80, change the MA KNN color to white, and turn off the trend prediction color. Then click OK. Now, for a long trade, first confirm a bullish trend. Price must be above the white average KNN classifier. Next, spot a pullback when the green KNN classifier turns red. Or let's say price shouldn't close below the white line. Then, wait for the KNN classifier to flip back to green, signaling the pullback's over. Then enter long. Check this example. The KNN classifier went green to red to green, and prices stayed above the white line. Solid setup. Now, for a short trade, do the opposite. Price below the white average KNN classifier for a bearish trend. Red KNN classifier turns green for a pullback, or let's say no closes above the white line. Then back to red to end the pullback, and then enter short. To juice up this strategy, add two more indicators. Before doing that, I know you might be scratching your head and telling yourself, oh, I'm on the free plan of TradingView, blah, 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 blah. I know that. I know that you are not able to use more than just two indicators on the free plan of TradingView. Believe me, I do. But I've got different solutions and approaches for you. Make sure to watch the entire tutorial until the end, because I've got surprises for you up my sleeve. To go around it, it's going to be like TradingView hacks to use more than just two indicators, up to actually 40 indicators on the free plan. Now, search for Chandelier Exit by Everget. And the standard MACD. For Chandelier Exit, deselect all style options except buy-sell labels. Set buy labels below bars and sell labels above. Then click OK. For the MACD, deselect the MACD line in the Style tab and hit OK. Chandelier Exit gives buy-sell signals, AI Trend Navigator confirms trends and pullbacks, and MACD ensures momentum. Now, for long trades, price above the white average KNN classifier, or let's say bullish trend, KNN classifier must be green, or let's say short-term bullish, then red for a pullback, or let's say no closes below the white line. Wait for a Chandelier Exit buy signal during or right after a pullback, or let's say KNN classifier red or just turned green. Check the MACD, the last histogram bar must be green, and the signal line above the zero line, or let's say below invalidates. Enter long on the next candle, stop below the recent swing low, and take profit at 2 times the risk. And of course, it hits. Now, for short trades, price below the white average KN classifier, let's say it must be bearish, KN classifier must be red, then green for a pullback, or let's say no closes above the white line. Wait for the chandelier exit, sell signal during or after the pullback. MACD's last histogram bar must be red, signal line below zero. Now you can enter short. Stop above the recent swing high, and the take profit at 2 times the risk. And as you can see, the profit banked.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedNext. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join FundedNext today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext.
The AI Trend Navigator is a powerhouse for data-driven trend analysis, especially with chandelier exit and MACD. This is a financial advice though. Layer in price action, backtest, and forward test before trading real cash. And as I promised you earlier, make sure to watch the recommended videos on your screen. These are top-notch 3 different approaches to use more than just 2 indicators, actually up to 40 of them on the free plan or even the paid version of TradingView. And the other recommended playlist is also about different approaches to turn any trading strategy, including this one or your existing one, or if you don't have one, you can watch hundreds of proven of them on the channel into a bot with alerts so it does a job for you while you're not around, all for free. Watching that playlist is going to be a game changer. Love this? Hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you next time.